How to check how long you have been subscribed to someone on YouTube. If any day you would like to check the very status on YouTube but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the YouTube application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search YouTube out there and tap on YouTube. After you tap on YouTube, YouTube will be launched on your very mobile device. After YouTube is launched on your very mobile device, you can go to your profile there. After you go to your profile there, now you can see the various interface like this. Now what you can do is you can go to the very option of whether you have subscribed or not, or to the channels that you have subscribed on your very channel. Therefore what you can do is you can tap on your profile once again, and after you tap on your very profile, now you have to search the various kind of videos that you have subscribed to, the various kind of channels that you have subscribed. You can go to the settings there and tap on settings as well. After you tap on settings, you can see an interface like this. Now you can go to the option of the general and tap on general and also check the various kind of status like this. You can also go to the option of your data in YouTube and tap on your data in YouTube. After you tap on your data in YouTube, now you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while until it gets loaded, because sometimes the internet connection may be low, due to which your very data may be less. And after that you can just go to the various kind of dashboard there and then go to the option of more, and then you can go to the option of download the YouTube data and tap on download the YouTube data. After you tap on download the YouTube data, you can get the entire YouTube data out there that you have on the YouTube. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.